Hello all. Today I am going to tell you some details about how to register and how to participate the Olympiad examination. So you have a lot of Olympiad exams. In sense, it is NCO, NSO, IMO, IEO, ICO, IGKO, ISSO. So in the last video I have given all the details about it. So in this video I am going to tell you that how to participate, what is the registration fees and all everything. I am going to tell you in a brief way. Here in this participation of the student means SOF IMO is open to the students for all the classes from 1 to 12. Right. Here registration fee in sense in schools in India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal maybe SOF of a registration fee of rupees 125. So rupees 125 per student per subject it will be. Okay, school may charge additionally rupees 25 per student towards the in charge remuneration to teachers to teach and guide, and for other expenses they will be charging 25 rupees. So most probably you can give 150 rupees per subject in any subject for Olympiad examination. And for other countries they can charge like $9 to $10. Okay. In the SOF IMO is conducted at two levels. Level 1 in sense, the first level of a test is organized in the respective schools, the participants during school hours. So level 1 competition is a test of 60 minutes duration comprising 35 objective type questions for class 1 to class 4 and 50 objective type questions for the class 5 to class 12. Right. The question paper consists of 4 sections. It is logical reasoning, mathematical reasoning, everyday mathematics and achiever sections. These are the separate question paper for each date of exams. So SOF will be giving that 3 dates, possible dates they will be giving. So school may select any one of the date. Okay. The medium of the test is English. So the pattern of the question paper is CBSE, ICSE, ISC and state board syllabus. They can follow it. And then the exam is conducted during school hours. So this pandemic time they will be conduct the online classes because last year they have conducted the online classes only. Online exam they have conducted. And level 2 if I go, level 2 is conducted for the students class 3 to class 12. The qualifiers to second round would include the following. What is that? At international level, zonal level and the school level. International level in sense top 5% of student class wise who appear in the first level exam internationally. And zone level if you see, zone means state level. Top 25 holders from each zone and each class. At last school level means class topper where at least 10 students from class topper in the exam and scores at least 50% qualifying marks. Right. So these are all the small, if you have any doubts means you can clarify it in the info@sofworld.org. Otherwise you can call 0124 495 1200. For any clarifications you can go into it. Right. And one more important thing, if schools are not registered, may also request for the prospectus by sending an email at info@sofworld.org or by calling 0124 495 1200. So schools must return the registration forms to SOF duly filled in and complete in all respects by the due dates. And then you can get the roll numbers and you can write the exam. Right. I think all the doubts I have cleared. Yes. Thank you.